Hi, Mother Goose Club! Today, we're going on a bear hunt.
Yeah, we've got all the stuff we need to go on a long journey and catch us a bear. Are you scared of a bear, Robin August?
I'm not scared, not one little bit.
Then let's go on our bear hunt.
Yeah! We're going on a bear hunt.
We're going on a bear hunt.
We're gonna catch a big one.
We're gonna catch a big one.
I'm not scared.
I'm not scared. What a beautiful day.
What a beautiful day. Oh, look, some grass. It's some long, wavy grass.
Can't go over it.
Can't go under it.
Can't go around it.
Gotta go through it.
Swish, 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 swish.
We're going on a bear hunt.
We're going on a bear hunt.
We're gonna catch a big one.
We're gonna catch a big one.
I'm not scared.
I'm not scared.
What a beautiful day.
What a beautiful day. Oh, look, a river, a wide blue river.
Can't go over it.
Can't go under it.
Can't go around it.
Gotta swim across it.
Splish, splash, splish, splash.
We're going on a bear hunt.
We're going on a bear hunt.
We're gonna catch a big one.
We're gonna catch a big one.
I'm not scared.
I'm not scared.
What a beautiful day.
What a beautiful day. Oh, look, a mud pit, a huge, messy mud pit.
Can't go under it.
Can't go over it.
Can't go around it.
Gotta go through it. Squelch, 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 squelch. We're going on a bear hunt.
We're going on a bear hunt.
We're gonna catch a big one.
We're gonna catch a big one.
I'm not scared.
I'm not scared.
What a beautiful day.
What a beautiful day. Oh, look, a mountain, a big, tall mountain.
Can't go under it.
Can't go through it.
Can't go around it.
Gotta go over it. Climb, 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 climb. We're going on a bear hunt.
We're going on a bear hunt.
We're gonna catch a big one.
We're gonna catch a big one.
I'm not scared.
I'm not scared. What a beautiful day.
What a beautiful day. Oh, look, a cave, a deep, dark cave.
Can't go under it.
Can't go over it.
Can't go around it.
Gotta go inside. Gotta go inside. It's dark in here.
I feel something.
It's got lots of hair.
And sharp claws.
It's a bear! Roar! Bye. Back down the mountain. Climb, 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 climb. Back through the mud patch. Squelch, 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 squelch. Back across the river. Splish, splash, splish, splash. Back through the long grass. Swish, 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 swish. Run in the house and lock the door. Woo! That
Was close.
I'm still not afraid.
Hey, thanks for coming with us on our bear hunt. Now that you know the rhyme, you should go on your own bear hunt.
See what crazy places you can go over, under, around, or through to find the bear.
Thanks for playing.
Bye!
Look at that smug duck. This silly duck can't stop admiring himself in the mirror. Smug duck is very vain. What a lovely perfume! What could the little duckling be up to? What a fiendish little duck! Be careful, smug duck! A very smug duckling very happily went for a walk. His tail was well perfumed. Boom bada doom bada doom. He crossed paths with a lady duck and wanted to win her affection. The lady duckling kept walking. Boom bada doom bada doom.
Welcome to Mother Goose Club Dress Up Theater. I'm Johnny, and this is Papa. Today we're baking a cake. Will you help us? Great! Oops, I forgot eggs. I'll be right back. Don't touch any of the ingredients while I'm gone. Okay, Papa. I'm back. Hey, were you eating the sprinkles? Johnny? Yes, Papa. Eating sprinkles? No, Papa. Telling lies? No, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha, ha, ha. Okay, Johnny, I believe you're telling the truth. Of course, Papa. Oops, I forgot flour. I'll be right back. Don't touch any of the ingredients while I'm gone. Okay, Papa. I'm back. Hey, were you eating the frosting? Johnny? Yes, Papa. Eating frosting? No, Papa. Telling lies? No, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha, ha, ha. Okay, Johnny, I believe you're telling the truth. Of course, Papa. Oops, I forgot milk. I'll be right back. Don't touch any of the ingredients while I'm gone. Okay, Papa. Aha! Looks like someone couldn't wait until the cake was finished to enjoy his treat. Sorry, Papa. Hopefully the snake surprise will teach you to be patient until the cake is ready. You got me, Papa. Now, where did I put those chocolate chips? Maybe you can go find them for me? You got it, Papa. Bye, Mother Goose Club.
Hello, Mother Goose Club. Today we're trying a new Playhouse challenge called Make Me Laugh.
Kendra and I will take turns trying to make each other laugh.
Whoever makes the other one laugh first gets a point on our scoreboard.
If it looks like a tie, I'll call it. Let's play. Ready? Close your eyes and on the count of 3, open them and try to make your partner laugh. 1, 2, 3. It looks like Elizabeth made Kendra laugh first. 1 point for Elizabeth. Ready? Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3.
I
made Elizabeth laugh first. 1 point for Kendra. Ready? Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. That looks like a tie. 1 point for both of them. And the winner is both of them.
Good challenge.
I laughed a bunch.
Me too. For more nursery rhymes,
Songs.
Skits and challenges.
keep watching Mother Goose Club Playhouse.
Bye! Hello and welcome to the Mother Goose Club Dress Up Theater. Today, I was supposed to perform a Johnny rhyme for you, but Johnny has been sound asleep all day. I can't wake him up. I know a song that might wake him up. It's called Are You Sleeping? Oh, but just a song won't be enough to do it. I know. I can ring this bell too. That has to wake Johnny up. Will you sing with me? I'm gonna need all the help I can get. Let's do it. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Johnny, 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 Johnny. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Ha, ha, ha. It didn't work. He's out like a light. I've got to sing and ring my bell even louder this time. Will you help me try again? Thanks. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Johnny, 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 Johnny. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Ha, ha, ha. It still didn't work. He is sound asleep. Maybe if I ring the bell the whole time I'm singing, it'll wake him up. Sing with me. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Johnny, 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 Johnny. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Papa, why are you making so much noise? Johnny, Johnny. Yes, Papa. Sleeping late? No, Papa. Ignoring the bell? No, Papa. Telling lies? Ha, ha, ha. Ha. Well, at least you're awake now. Ready to do our performance? Yes! Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Johnny, Johnny. Yes, Papa. Eating cookies? No, Papa. Telling lies? Ha, ha, ha. Thanks for coming to our performance. Bye, Mother Goose Club.
What are those? A big bowl of worms. Awesome! And I'm going to eat them. Can I eat them too? Absolutely. These worms are delicious. Let's sing a song about eating worms. Yeah. Nobody likes me, everybody hates me. I think I'll go eat worms. Great big juicy ones, eeny weeny teeny ones. See how they wiggle and squirm. Cut off the heads and suck out the juice and throw the skins away. Nobody knows how I survive on worms 3 times a day. Down goes the first one, down goes the second one. Oh, how they wiggle and squirm. Up comes the first one, up comes the second one. Oh, how they wiggle and squirm. Nobody likes me, everybody hates me. I think I'll go eat worms. Great big juicy ones, itty weeny teeny ones. See how they wiggle and squirm. Cut off the heads and suck out the juice and throw the skins away. Nobody knows how I survive on worms 3 times a day. Mmm, worms! Hey, you know what would go really well with these worms? What? Snails! Yeah, let's go get some. Welcome to Mother Goose Club Dress Up Theater. Today, I'm going to catch a cookie thief in action. Want to help? Come on! Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Was it Connie? No, not me. Was it Ronnie? No, not me. Was it Johnny? Hee hee hee. Johnny. Yes, Papa. Eating carrots? No, Papa. Eating spinach? No, Papa. Eating cookies? Ha ha ha. Johnny. Who took the candy from the candy jar? Who took the candy from the candy jar? Was it Connie? No, not me. Was it Ronnie? No, not me. Was it Johnny? Hee hee hee. Johnny. Yes, Papa. Eating apples? No, Papa. Eating cherries? No, Papa. Eating candy? Ha ha ha. Johnny. Eating healthy all day long makes you big and makes you strong. Candies may be fun to eat, but they're only sometimes treats. Johnny. Yes, Papa. Eating ice cream? No, Papa. Eating cupcakes? No, Papa. Eating healthy? Yes, Papa. Eating healthy all day long makes you big and makes you strong. Candies may be fun to eat, but they're only sometimes treats. Hi, Mother Goose Club. Today we've got a brand new Playhouse challenge. It's called What Animal Am I?
I'm going to give you a box with clues in it about an animal. You are going to try to figure out which animal it is.
We're gonna need your help to play. Will you help us? Great! Let's go!
Okay, here is the first clue for animal 1.
It looks like fur. What animal looks like this? I don't know. Let's get our next clue.
Next clue. This animal's name rhymes with fog, log, and jog.
What animal rhymes with fog, log, and jog? I don't know either. Let's try our next clue.
Our next clue is a sound clue. Are you ready?
Ready?
The animal sounds like this. Woof, woof, woof.
Oh, do you know that sound? Can we hear the sound again?
Woof, woof, woof.
Do you know what makes that noise? You do? What is it? That's right, it's a dog.
Nice job. You each get 1 point.
Yay!
Here's clue number 1 for animal number 2.
Those look like whiskers. What animals have whiskers? I don't know. Let's get our next clue.
This animal's name rhymes with sat, mat, and pat.
I know a few animals that rhyme with sat, mat, and pat, like bat, rat, and cat. I wonder if it's one of those animals. Let's get our next clue.
Our last clue is another sound clue.
Meow, meow. Oh, I think I know what animal that is. Do you? Let's hear the sound one more time. Meow, meow, meow. Do you know what animal makes that noise? A cat?
That's right, a cat. Nicely done. You get another 1 point. 1 plus 1 is 2. So you both have 2 points. Here's clue number 1 about animal number 3.
This looks like some very thick hair. I don't know what that is. Let's try our next clue.
This animal's name rhymes with steep, leap, and beep.
What animal has curly white fur and rhymes with steep, leap, and beep? I don't know. Let's get our next clue.
This last clue is another sound clue. Ba, ba, ba.
Can you do it again?
Of course. Ba, ba, ba.
Do you know what animal makes that noise? A sheep?
That's right, a sheep. Sheep rhymes with steep, leap, and beep, and that fur is called wool. You get another 1 point. Added to the 2 points you already have, you end today's challenge with 3 points.
Yay!
Thanks for playing today's Playhouse Challenge with us. We'll see you again soon.
Bye!
Mother Goose Club Playhouse.